Hi there, welcome back to our tutorial series on YouTube brought to you by the O3 Schools JAMB app. If by now you are yet to download your app, you're very wrong. Hurry now to Play Store, download the O3 Schools JAMB app, activate and get access to all the features that the app has. So let's go to our topic for today, which is the Forerunner of Jesus. The Forerunner of Jesus. John the Baptist is recorded in the Bible as the Forerunner of Jesus. In the Bible, we know John the Baptist as the Forerunner of Jesus, and a forerunner simply means a precursor or a predecessor. John came to prepare the way for Jesus, prepare the people for the coming of Jesus Christ, at least those that will listen to him anyway. So John the Baptist came to prepare the people for the